Shiv Sondhi of Class 12 Public School.
And I am Daksh Gambhir of Class 12 Public School.
Our subject teacher is Mrs. Dipali Jain, and our project title is Rank Predictor 2.
This is Shiv Sondhi. Let me give you a brief walkthrough on our AI project. As you can see, the team goals have been shown here. I created the concept of the project and published the project on public domain, while Daksh designed the project and structured the project. The project timeline has been mentioned here with specific time slots. The communication plan has been discussed here. The tools used for communication were Zoom and Google Meet, and we met physically twice a week for the project tasks. The purpose of the meeting was a final discussion on the project. The items discussed were prerequisites required for the project and gathering resources for the project. The tasks specified were that Shivan will write the project code, Daksh will add elements and layers to the project, Shivam will test the code. The problem definition is schools deal with large amounts of test code data, managing which is already a time consuming and tedious job. And to add to it, they are not able to provide proper rank prediction and in-depth analysis of students much efficiently. Which issues matter to us and why? Lack of a system which provides the students with a rank prediction and in-depth analysis of their test score. It matters to us as it helps students learn from their mistakes and maximize their academic growth. The issue we will focus on is a need of test analysis algorithm. Our team's problem statement is how can we help test conducting bodies to manage their test score efficiently and provide in-depth analysis and rank prediction of the test candidates. The users are the students who are in the need of a system which efficiently analyzes of their tests they appeared in. Due to lack of such a system, students are unable to learn from their mistakes and maximize their academic growth. The interview questions with students or users were what is their actual problem. That their responses were as follows: that we lack a system which provides with rank prediction and in-depth analysis of the test. How they deal with this problem? By consulting with their educators, internet, etc. What they want to solve the problem, to provide them with an algorithm that gives in-depth analysis efficiently. The steps taken by users to take related to the problem and what are the difficulties. Students take the help of their educators who themselves are incapable to solve this problem, searching for solution on sites like Quora, etc. with little or no specific information regarding the problem. They themselves try to evaluate their test scores in which they are not unsuccessful or at very much extent non-efficient. The problem statement is students are experiencing issues with accurate information from reliable sources today because of lots of sites available with the same information. The process of the project was to collect data related to this, pre-processing the data, model selection, training the model, and finally the deployment of the algorithm. Rank predicting and test analysis algorithm is the right choice for the students, educators, and test conducting bodies. With the help of in-depth analysis, students will be able to learn from their mistakes and maximize their. What are the steps that users will now do using your AI project to address the problem? The users will provide the algorithm with test code data and run the algorithm. Ranks will be predicted and in-depth analysis of the test will be given. As you can see, the test conducting bodies own the data here. The AI tool used for the prototype is Panda libraries, and other libraries are NumPy libraries, scikit-learn. The algorithm will provide with test code data to which it generate ranks of the test candidates and give in-depth analysis of tests for each. As you can see, this is the project code here, and as you can see the result of this, that how much rank will you get in JEE Mains with 85 marks. As you can see here, it is 1,12,540.
Hello everyone, I am Daksh and I will be showing you how we made our AI Capstone project rank predictor tool. We use libraries such as NumPy, Matplotlib, polynomial features, linear regression, and pandas. And here we provided our model with the data of marks and ranks. Here the marks are transformed into a 3-degree polynomial function, and the linear regression establish a relationship between marks and ranks of the user. This function takes mark as an input and transforms it into a 3-degree polynomial function, and then it corresponds and predicts the rank of the user. Here are all the features which were used to design our rank curve of our output. And here is an output for our project code. in which 85 marks in JEE Mains can provide you a rank of 1,12,540. Thank you.